Hello, and welcome to the IPBES Data and Management tutorials. Today, we'll be covering processing and analysis within the chapter Tools for Data Management. My name is Dave Thau. I'm the Data and Technology Global Lead Scientist at WWF, and I'm a member of the Task Force on Knowledge and Data within IPBES. Let's talk about processing and analysis. There are lots of reasons to do processing and analysis. IPBES products depend on data from many sources, and that data often needs to be formatted, summarized, and processed and analyzed. The rule of thumb is all manipulations and analyses of data should be made as transparent as possible. And often you use computer programming languages and software to analyze the data, and the language you use should also be as transparent as possible. There are lots of different languages that you could use. There are hundreds of languages that have been invented, and currently a dozen or so are very popular, and there are many more that are used. IPBES recommends using languages that are open source, widely used, and specifically used for data science and analysis. The ones that IPBES recommends are open source languages that are mostly used for data science, those two being Python and R. And there are other popular languages that are also used for data science. Java, JavaScript, Julia, and Scala are also popular languages. Whichever language you use, there are a few standards you should adhere to. So first, you should document your code very well for yourself and for others. All languages have style guides from various sources. You should choose one and stick to it. When you've completed your analysis, you should store the programs you use for this analysis in available repository, code repository. GitHub is an example of one of those. In the data management report for your product, you should describe what code you used, what its inputs are, and where you put the code in what repository. You should state who the code authors are and provide an open source license for the code so that others can use it as well. And with that, I'll close our topic on processing analysis. Thank you very much for your attention. And I'd also like to thank the other contributors who helped prepare the content. And feel free to contact us at tsu.data@ipbes.net. We hope you enjoyed the session on processing and analysis. Thank you.